This is a 31-piece drill bead set from Bovidix. It comes with a center punch that's made of chrome molybdenum steel and a step drill with sizes from 3/16 of an inch to 7/8 of an inch. 29 drill beads are made from high-speed steel. The sizes are from 1/16 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch. The metric version of a set also comes with a center punch that is made of chrome molybdenum steel, but it's a different version of a punch. The sizes of drill beads are from 1 mm to 13 mm. The drills don't fall off from the box. It comes with a metal box, multi-box, size M for inch size and size S for metric set. Also, Bovidix has high-speed steel drill beads Pro, high-speed steel drill beads with titanium nitrate coating, and drill beads of M35 grade high-speed steel with 5% cobalt alloy.